Good day, my dear panel. I am Give J. Marquez, taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. This study was conducted at Upper Maculan National High School, located at Barangay Upper Maculan, Lake Cebu South, Cotabato. This study aimed to determine the following question. First, what is the level of computer knowledge of senior high school students? Number 2, what is the attitudes of senior high school students towards computer learning? Number 3, is there any significant relationship between level of computer knowledge and their attitudes towards computer learning? First, what is the level of computer knowledge of senior high school students? Okay. Based on the findings, the grand mean of the level of computer knowledge of senior high school students is 2.50, described as basic, and it was interpreted as low. So, base sa findings, makikita natin na ang mga estudyante mula sa Upper Maculan National High School, Senior High School Department, mayroon lamang ang katamtamang kaalaman about sa computer or yung level ng kanilang computer knowledge parang nasa yung in the middle lamang or basic lamang yung kaalaman nila about sa computer. So, based on Kakuroglu et al. 2017, stated that it must be noted that frequent use of computing technology tends to produce basic skills and competencies in the students which all will in turn also develop their self-efficiency in the mastery in the field. So, if yung isang estudyante ay master niya na yung computer or yung mga applications and other and their computer knowledge is masasabi natin nasa middle lang or basic lang talaga yung kaalaman ng mga estudyante about sa computer. So, and number 2, what is the attitudes of senior high school students towards computer learning? So, based on the findings, the grand mean of the attitudes of students towards computer learning is 3.86, describes as agree, and it was interpreted as high. So, makikita natin dito na yung kagustuhan ng mga estudyante na matuto about sa computer literacy is positive or gusto talaga nilang matuto ng computer, pero ang eskwelahan or the school has a lack of teacher to teach the students. So, based on TO 2006, found that students' attitudes towards computer have influential role on their acceptance to use computer as a learning tool, and their future behaviors towards the computer, such as using it for further study or and vocational purposes. So, dito pinapakita na yung kaalaman or yung attitudes sa students is to influence their attitudes or behaviors towards computer learning. So, for number 3, is there any significant relationship on the level of computer knowledge to their attitudes towards computer learning? So, based on the findings, there is a low or weak linear relationship between the level of computer knowledge and the attitudes towards computer learning of the students. So, dito pinapakita na ang relationship ng level of their computer knowledge and their attitudes has no relationship. Kahit gaano pa kabihasa yung isang estudyante sa computer, kung yung attitude niya is hindi magkatugma doon sa level ng kanyang kaalaman, so parang mahina pa rin or weak pa rin yung kanila yung relationship ng dalawang aspeto. So, as a recommendation to this study, first, the authorities must have a training program to develop the level of computer knowledge of the students in computer literacy. So, kinakailangan ng nung namamahala sa eskwelahan na gumawa ng isang training program upang mahasa pa yung kaalaman ng mga estudyante about sa computer. So, ang pangalawa is, the school must have an action plan to respond in developing the relationship of the students and the teachers towards the computer learning in the school. So, kinakailangan talaga na yung eskwela, yung paaralan ay gumawa ng paraan na ma-develop pa yung kaalaman ng mga estudyante at ma-develop na yung kanilang relationship sa kanilang teacher, na matuto sila mula sa kanilang teacher, or mag-reflect dito yung attitudes ng estudyante na matuto mula sa kanilang mga guro. So, ang pangatlo is the authorities must have to build the relationship with the students to learn computer literacy. So, yung teachers dapat ma-develop talaga nila yung relationship nila with the students. So, para mas madali na yung learning and teaching process about sa computer literacy. So, mula dito sa aking mga nakalap mula sa studies na ito, sa study na ito, mahalagang matuto pa yung mga estudyante na about sa computer literacy. Maraming salamat sa panunood ng video ito, at sana ay makatulong ito sa paghasa pa ng kaalaman ninyo at ng mga estudyanteng mula sa Upper Maclan National High School Senior High School Department. Maraming salamat at God bless po sa lahat.